My name is Ravi Vyas. I'm a product manager at vserve.mobi. What we are basically is a mobile ad network. We're a global mobile ad network. We focus on trying to get innovations to solve problems in terms of monetization for emerging markets. And we are strongly focused on just mobile. We are just a mobile ad network. What we do is try to innovate and help out the mobile ecosystem so we can push it forward. We try to help out each of the entities in a mobile ecosystem, which is a developer, a brand or advertiser, and a user. Right? So when it comes to mobile monetization, a developer has a bunch of issues. These are what we call as systemic issues, especially in emerging markets. In emerging markets, since the GDP is low, the gross national income is sort of low, users can't pay for the applications, right? Or it's even possible that if a user wants to pay, he does not have a credit card to pay for the application, right? The other thing that the other problem we have is very few monetization solutions actually focus on feature phones. Most of them only focus on smartphones, right? So it's a technical challenge there. There's no effective way for a developer on a feature phone to monetize his application. The other problem there is telecom billing is left to only a few people. It may be big because of various reasons. An individual developer does not have the relationship bandwidth to go and get stuff done with an operator. The other problem is he has to keep changing his application because different operators have different billing logic. That for an individual developer is hard to do. Right? And there's a bunch of opportunities where a mobile ad network can innovate too. Most of the times, integration of an application with an ad network is done with something called as an SDK, a software development kit, which basically requires you to play around with your code, which is why it is complex and time consuming. And most of the ad networks out there give only an SDK solution, only a smartphone solution. So again, it leaves out the feature phone developers who are, and like most of the population in the world, because the number of feature phones, there's a big gap in feature phone users to smartphone users, right? The other thing that happens is most of the mobile monetization solutions only focus on banner ads. Those are the small ads you see in your application. They can give you, they can clutter your experience, right? So what the market needed was a quick and simple way to actually integrate monetization solutions within your application, right? Also a solution that could cater to both feature phones and smartphones, and basically rich, engaging, high impact ads. We sort of realized that there is a need, so we built what is called as a vserve marketplace, where basically we try to improve or help out all the three entities of a mobile ecosystem, a developer, an advertiser, and a user. What we did was we created this platform called what we call as the app wrapper. We call it the world's simplest monetization solution. One thing that it does very well is if you have a mobile application, there are usually two ways of it to monetize it. Either you try an ad-based model or the developer asks you to pay for the application. What the app wrapper does is it combines both the models. So the developer does not have to worry about that. And it also gives the power to the user to decide how to pay the developer. Do I want, within the same app, whether he wants to just use the ads and keep paying the developer, or he wants to buy the app outright. Right? What the app wrapper is it's basically a one-click solution. You take your application, which you have built, you run it through the app wrapper, and you get another application out, which basically has ads in it. This entire process takes less than 40 seconds, probably the time it takes you to download an SDK. Right? And you get something like this, right? You have your application, you have a launch ad and an exit ad. These are premium placements and they're richer ads. They are not your small size banners, right? The type of ads that we can give are rich HTML5 ads, wherein you can sort of rotate the car. You can even have engaging ads, like you can have a jigsaw puzzle to complete and then you show the ad. It is easier, or it makes it more creative for a brand to get the message out to the user. Right? Also, yeah, in the same one click we provide video ads. What's the other thing to notice is, or to take a point is, while we just say, okay, it's just one click to do this, there's a lot of infrastructure going into this. It is not, the ads are actually served based on who the user is, has he seen an ad before, and a bunch of various algorithms and inputs that take part, are taken into picture. Right now, with the App Wrapper, we have more than 20,000 apps which are powered by the App Wrapper. The App Wrapper works across smartphones, feature phones, and tablets. So we solve the need of developers and the users. It works across various platforms. I'll just skip this. I'll skip this. So what the App Wrapper allowed is it changed the way various developers work. Whether it's Venkat, who's based in South India, when he graduated, he was making more money with his applications than the best job offer that he got. Or whether it's Abdul Sasikela, who with his apps on J2ME got featured in Forbes. Right? Yes, you hear about Angry Birds and everybody else who are there on this thing, but we also helped developers who use feature phones. Right? I'll skip this. Yeah, these are some of the partners that we work with. Disney, Twist Games, Zapac. These are developer partners. We work with advertising partners. I'll skip this too. That's about it.
Thank you. Thank you.